Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. Today, we're diving into one of the essential items for any outdoor enthusiast or homeowner: the TEZONG heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin. This 6x6 feet tarp is making waves for its durability, versatility, and all-weather performance. Stick around as we uncover why this might just be the best tarp available right now. Let's start with the basics. The TEZONG heavy-duty tarp is built tough with a 10 mm thickness, crafted from high-quality polyethylene. This isn't your average tarp. It's designed to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at it. From heavy rain to scorching UV rays, this tarp keeps your valuables protected. It's not just about durability, it's about peace of mind. Notice these reinforced metal grommets? They're strategically placed every 6 feet, including the corners, making it a breeze to secure with ropes or bungee cords. Whether you're covering a car, patio furniture, or setting up camp, this tarp stays put. Now, let's talk versatility. This tarp isn't just for emergencies, it's a multi-purpose powerhouse. Use it as a temporary roof patch, a ground cover for painting, or turn it into a makeshift canopy for outdoor events. What about durability? The TEZONG tarp features a woven and coated polyethylene construction that's rip-resistant and UV-resistant. It's built to last through seasons of use without fading or tearing. That's why it's a favorite among campers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who needs reliable outdoor protection. Let's compare. Other tarps might claim to be heavy-duty, but few match the sheer resilience of the TEZONG. With a 12x10 weave count, it's thicker and stronger than many competitors in its class. Whether you're dealing with high winds or heavy snow loads, this tarp holds its ground. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a versatile, durable, and all-around dependable tarpaulin, look no further than the TEZONG heavy-duty waterproof tarp. It's designed to handle whatever outdoor challenges come your way, ensuring your gear and belongings stay safe and dry. From emergency rain covers to everyday outdoor protection, this tarp has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, stay protected out there.